Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is a bone of contention. A bone of contention, which means a subject or issue over which there is continuing disagreement. इसको हम उर्दू में फसाद की जड़ यानी कोई ऐसी चीज़ जिस पे फसाद हो रहा हो या झगड़ा हो रहा हो, वहाँ पे हम idiom यूज़ कर सकते हैं. How we are going to use it in sentences like money is a common bone of contention in many marriages. So we have used here bone of contention. It means to say पैसा एक आम सी फसाद की जड़ है शादियों में. Here is another sentence or situation. The examination system has long been a serious bone of contention. So once again we have used here a serious bone of contention.